This guided meditation with a mantra focuses on this month's new moon energy. I invite you to find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight. Place your hands in your lap or rest them on your legs. Close your eyes if you wish. Travel within and leave the outside world for a short while. Take some deep breaths in, and with each breath in, feel yourself expand. And on each breath out, feel yourself relax. Let any negative energy flow out. You are here in the present moment. Worries, anxiety and concerns drop away on each out breath. Simply be. There is time in this meditation to reflect on beliefs and behaviours that are not aligned with your purpose or your journey onwards, and the opportunity to explore new ways of looking at and doing things, a chance to consider new perspectives. As you focus on your natural breath, sink deeper into relaxation, becoming more aware of the deeper spiritual you, of your own internal energy and space. As thoughts come into your mind, let them travel through without holding on to them. Expect the next 4 weeks to bring harmony and success. Spend a short period until the goal in reflection of where you desire there to be more harmony in your life and what success means to you. Consider any barriers that are holding you back, such as limiting beliefs, old habits and circumstances. The next 2 weeks is the best time to start moving forwards, to make the changes necessary to achieve your desires. To see changes in your life, you have to change the way you look at or do things. Employ patience, dedication, and determined effort to achieve a more harmonious and successful experience. Without action on your part, it's unlikely they will be achieved. For a short while until the gong, plan the action necessary to see the desired changes in your life. Sit quietly, being aware of your breath. Energies of independence and freedom are forecast. You have the strength and capabilities to see through your plans, bring in harmonious intimate relationships, new friendships, and honourable business success, leading to promotions and improved prospects. Experience a wealth of love, harmony, and success. Be richly blessed. There continues to be a global and personal abundance in finances. Be sure you release any limiting beliefs you have around your worthiness to receive abundance in this area. You are worthy of all good things. The wave of spiritual growth continues, and you may be experiencing a new perspective on life, feeling more confident on your direction and your ability to succeed. Spend some time now until the gong sounds, welcoming this manifesting energy into your situation now. And now for our brief mantra meditation to manifest. Please place your palms facing up. I know what success looks like to me and receive it now. I know what success looks like to me and receive it now. Should you be distracted through this brief period of meditation, bring your attention back to your breath or mantra. Continue out loud or in your head until the gong. I know what success looks like to me and receive it now. Along with times of change can come low periods, depression, doubts and negativity. You have limitless power to face these fears once and for all. You are ready to step forward despite your fear. Step forward to success, to love, to riches and harmony. Bring your attention back to your surroundings and bring some movement to your body. Take a deep breath in and open your eyes when you are ready. Please take a few moments to appreciate your energy and to absorb and be at one with the energy around you. That is also you. Thank you for sharing in this forecast reflection and meditation. Be conscious of your power to attract and attract positive outcomes and circumstances. Be determined in your effort to move forwards over the coming weeks. If you haven't already, please subscribe and press the notifications bell. And please share with your moon-loving tribe. See you soon. Namaste.